So we have our master mix, cornmeal consistency.
And that we have made recently on our last video.
And so we're going to make how many different kinds of cookies today?
2.
We're going to make 2. So what's our first one?
We are making just chocolate chip cookies.
Okay.
Then we're making chocolate chip with peanut butter cookies.
All right. So what are you doing right now?
Well, first I'm cracking 3 eggs.
No, you're going to do 1
Actually,
for the
I'm
first
cracking
batch.
1 egg, which I've already done. And now
I'm going to whisk the egg.
You're going to whisk the egg.
Yep.
That looks pretty good. So we're making, our first thing is going to be dropped cookies.
Yep.
So how many cups of our master mix do we need there,
We
Mr.
need
Blake?
3 cups of our master mix.
3 cups. So let's get 3 cups.
And then I'm going to fill this cup up because the next ingredient is going to be 1 cup of sugar.
All
So I
right.
can go ahead and just fill up 1 cup of
Just
sugar.
go ahead and get us some sugar. And I'm going to get us, wait a minute.
1 cup is the entire cup.
I'm going to get us with a scoop. A scoop. I say a scoop. Scoop. How many cups?
3 cups.
3 cups with a scoop. Yes. All right.
into the egg.
Now you can sugar.
Thank you.
All right. So
Baby sleeping.
I don't know what I came down here to get.
He just came down here to check if those cookies were done.
Okay, now next.
So let's set
Blake,
this aside.
what do we do next?
Now we needed 1 cup of sugar, so let me go ahead and pour that one in there.
1 cup of sugar.
It's actually a large
We
sugar.
better
what's
get to the
next?
directions. What else?
And then 1 egg.
1
We already
egg.
got the egg, so we just
Egg.
need to dump that one in there.
1 egg.
Looks nasty.
There you go.
Tastes good. Then we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Let's let Mama Granny get the teaspoon of
1
vanilla.
teaspoon of vanilla.
Teaspoon.
I will.
That's funny. Don't go.
After dogs and after the invisible man came walking through and others in our household, we shall be back to our cookies. And Brandon has mixed the egg in. We have our sugar in.
And I would like to say, we read on there that instead of using milk, we could use a variant and molasses. And we've never used molasses in it before. So we're
That's
gonna
because
use
we've never made these cookies before. So
I
anyhow,
guess there's
We've
a
never
time for
tried
everything.
now we're putting our molasses in
I'm gonna just
and mix until well blended, Brandon.
slowly just dump it. Looks like chocolate syrup. Just saying, if you've never tried it, I wouldn't try it. It doesn't smell good.
Yeah.
It smells awful.
It does not.
Let me see that spoon, Brandon. I gotta get the
You know
rest
how
of
they
the
get
molasses.
molasses?
No idea.
They have a tree.
Really?
Yeah.
Just like syrup.
Yeah. No, syrup they make.
Yeah, but syrup.
Oh,
The sap
that's
comes out of
right.
the tree.
No, it's
Can you move your hand, Bubba? I'm just trying to get all this molasses out.
Big sap.
that's right. Sap. That's how they get.
Oh, they get syrup.
There's flakes in here on the floor.
Now I'm mixing in this molasses stuff.
Somebody put a plate in front of the couch.
And now it literally looks like we've already put peanut butter in here. But no, we've only put
No.
molasses.
Another county herd.
Hello.
This is another person from our house.
Okay, now as soon as he gets this done, we're going to drop by teaspoons on a greased baking sheet. And we're going to bake in a moderate oven at 375 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes.
Don't we put the chips in?
Not yet.
No, we're not going to put chips into molasses. I forgot that we're putting chips in. So we're not going to. Let me finish this.
So now we're just gonna have regular old cookies.
We're going to have molasses cookies.
I'm going to put this in the fridge now. I'm opening the fridge door. I'm setting it on the shelf. I'm closing the fridge door.
How
The
about
fridge door is closed.
turning the oven on, Mr. Moderator?
I'm walking towards the oven. I'm grabbing.
I'm sorry for my
buttons.
brother.
Emma,
He's kind of being a little
can I see this real quick? I need to see
Yeah,
the temperature. I
no.
need to set it at.
cuckoo.
No, you just really need to
brother's
hush
going
is
to-
what you need to
He's
do.
going insane. That's me and my brother.
I knew I should have done this all by myself today.
Who would want to do that?
She's probably just tired.
Memo,
She
So-
doesn't really mean it.
I do.
No, she doesn't. She's just tired. She doesn't mean it.
All right. Hands were made before spoons.
oh no, don't you
My
do it.
hands were washed.
Don't you? Ooh.
It's just like making a mud pie.
Oh, yeah.
You don't know what you're missing.
All you do is you take mud on a pie pan and then you throw it at your friends. Make sure they're good about it though before you do it.
That's
Because
enough.
they're going to get muddy.
I don't want them coming after me. Hush.
They're not. Oh, sure you go.
And this is supposed to make
Because this
3
is...
to 4 dozen cookies, but I don't think it's going to make 3 to 4 dozen cookies.
Oh, you know, I got
Very small.
Now, if you never want to taste a cookie again after watching us do this, I can understand. But you've had fun, haven't you, boys?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Then come back because we're making another type of pudding in another video today.
We're
What kind are we making today?
Then we're gonna
Peanut
that's the
butter
one.
and chocolate chip.
Peanut butter and chocolate chip cookies.
I set it for 375. So what should I do now? Should I preheat it for 10 to 12 minutes?
Yes, that's what you should do.
And now, our kitchen stinks. Like...
Brandon.
I'm preheating it.
Like
to-
molasses. They evidently don't like molasses.
I've never
It
had
smells
molasses.
really bad.
Good stuff.
I've never had molasses before, so
Neither have I. I hope it tastes good.
it looks good.
Well, you're going to eat them. You've made it, and you're going to eat them.
I'll be the taste tester. And if it doesn't taste that, if
You're
it
gonna
doesn't
eat
taste good, then I'll put soy sauce on it. Maybe it'll make it taste better, like because it made it taste bad. But maybe
Soy
it's
sauce
sweet.
is Brandon's go-to for everything.
No, the only reason why I say that
is.
is because he puts
All right,
me,
here's
him,
this.
and
We
my
are
sister
going,
puts.
we're going to now put teaspoons full onto the greased baking pans. We will be right back.
Hey, we're back again. She just rolled I think about a dozen maybe, cookies. And now I'm just gonna roll up a tray. And it says to put them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. So we got the oven preheating behind us. See the big black thing in the middle of the counters? That's an oven. It's an oven. Preheating it.
Now
You stop.
Now we are making
Um,
these peanut butter and chocolate chip cookies.
No, we're not. We're still making these ones.
After he's done doing those,
Oh, really?
and then
That's a shocker.
Brandon, that's enough.
This is the best time because it's silent. Nobody's talking. Except me.
Okay.
They want the oven preheated, so
Okay,
Now
so
that it's preheated?
ready for both pans.
so we are
yeah, but
going.
I'm not ready.
Oh, yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
So we are going to let
I said
him.
you are.
We are
But you
going
cook?
to let
I guess that's true.
Blake finish this pan, and then we're going to put the pans in the oven.
We're gonna cut away.
And do it. We're off.